The National Action on Sugar Reduction on Tuesday, December 6th, staged a display at the Federal Ministry of Finance headquarters, Abuja, against the minimal taxation on sugar-sweetened beverages such as Coca-Cola. The NASR is a coalition of non-governmental organizations advocating for policy measures to tackle the health risks of consuming soft drinks. Speaking on behalf of the coalition, Omei Bongo Sikwe, a health communication specialist, said the coalition is advocating for the implementation of taxes on sugar-sweetened beverages in Nigeria.
We are advocating to the Federal Ministry of Finance, to the government, to increase the tax on sugar-sweetened beverages, on soft drinks particularly, and other sweetened beverages, particularly because of the health impacts of these drinks. There is a clear link between soft drinks, between soda, sweetened beverages, and diseases like type 2 diabetes. Nigeria has the #1 rate of type 2 diabetes on the whole African continent. Nigeria is also the place where the highest number of soft drinks are sold on the African continent. 38 million liters of soft drinks are sold every year in Nigeria. And so what we're trying to say is, these beverage companies, they're making lots of profits and really at the expense of the health of Nigerians. So we're calling on the Federal Ministry of Finance, the government, to increase the taxes on sugar-sweetened beverages so that these taxes really can be used to benefit people, particularly the poor Nigerians who cannot afford healthcare, can be used to subsidize diabetes treatment, can be used towards providing healthcare for people who are suffering from these illnesses.
Bongo Sikwe stated that beyond generating revenue for the government, when taxes on soft drinks are implemented, the high cost of drinks would discourage the masses, especially the poor, from patronizing these products and opting for healthier options.
This tax had just started being collected in June of this year, but it's a very minimal tax, it's a very small tax. And Nigeria is one of the cheapest places to buy soft drinks, really, compared to other parts of the world where taxes have been implemented. For health reasons, Nigeria is still one of the places where you can get soft drinks without taxing, and because they are so accessible, so affordable, it is encouraging people to continue drinking without regard for the health effects. So this is exactly what we're doing. We're advocating. We are having meetings with stakeholders. We're enlightening the public through activities like this. This is an excise tax. It's collected by customs. So Nigerian Customs Service has started collecting the tax. They started in June of this year. And as I said, it's a 10 naira per litre tax, 10 naira per litre. So that means that for every litre of soft drink that is produced, 10 naira is charged. But then this only adds up to around maybe 6.7, just under 7%, and it's quite low. What is actually recommended is shown that a tax of about 20% has a better health impact. That's the rate that can really be seen to make a proper health impact by reducing consumption. So what we're advocating for is a tax that reaches up to 20%.